Could it be you calling me down, 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 down? My foolish heart turns at the stars.
What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Amber Ashli. Welcome back to my channel. If you are not new, welcome. If you are, my channel is about fashion, music, and some money. But by the title of today's video, we're going to be talking about fashion and just 2 body tricks that you can use to help you find measurements for your body and just in general, like if you're out, you don't have a measuring tape. So I'm just going to jump right in. So we all got 10 fingers for the most part. Apologize if some of you don't, but that's okay too. You take your measuring tape or you can take a ruler, and if you ever noticed, each of these spaces are an inch. So for instance, look at that. Well, not for instance, but maybe I'll show up close. See? So just a quick trick. So my pointer finger is 3 inches long. That's pretty long, huh? And then the next trick is, I got this blazer on, but your forearm is the size of your foot. So this part is the size of your foot. So I'm a size 11. I know, yes, I have big feet. I'm tall. 5'9.5" to be exact. So it would be this. My bad, I'm looking for it. So to here to here. So if I take the edge part, that's another trick. So that's it. Those are just 2 quick tricks so that you can find measurements on your body. Let me know if these are helpful. Let me know if these helped you in any type of way. If you already knew about these tricks, comment down below. Quick, sweet, easy video, and that's all I got. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed. Remember, drink your water, and I'll catch you on the next video. All right, peace.